Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Multiply by one-digit numbers is our topic today. We are starting with multiplication. So tables are important. Pages 45 and 46, please. Page 45. Show what you know. Write a multiplication sentence for the array. How does the array work? How does this array work? Okay. It works like this. You count the number of lines. How many lines does this one have? 2. Okay, because we are going to write a multiplication sentence. Why multiplication sentence? Because it's going to be written in a line, one line. Okay, so it's 2 times. Now we are going to write the number of columns or the number of elements in each group, in each line. This one, for example, has 1, 2, 3, 4.
8.
No, 8. In one line, how many shells are in one line? 4. So, times 4 equals is the total number of elements in the array.
8.
In the array there are
16.
no, not 16.
8.
8, okay? So this is a multiplication sentence because it's written in a line. And this multiplication belongs to this array. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now the second one. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 is our first factor. 4 times. Then 1 and 2 in each group.
Also, it's the same one.
4 times 2 equals
8.
8. But what is the difference? The difference.
But like, for example, in the first one, 2 times 4 equals 8. But the next one is 4 times 2 equals 8.
Yeah.
The numbers change position.
I know that the answer, the product is the same, but the array is different. The array is different, okay?
Because when you say the another class that we can voltear the multiplication.
And that's that is a property. Yeah, that one is the commutative property of multiplication. The commutative property of multiplication says that the order of the factor, okay, the order of the factor doesn't change the product. So we have here 2 times 4 and 4 times 2, and the product is 8. That's one property, commutative property of multiplication. Okay, now let's do exercise 2. How many lines are in the first array? How many lines?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3. Okay. Now, how many in each group? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our second factor. 3 times 5.
15.
Tables. 3 times 5. Thank you, Santiago. 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So if you don't know the tables well, you have this weekend to study the tables again. Because you know that I did oral quizzes week after week from table of 2 to table of 9. And some of you need to study a little bit more. Okay, how many lines are in this array? How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times
3.
3 in each. 3
fish in each group.
in each group, exactly. Equals 15. Equals 15. Good job. Let's see how many we are. I still miss 3 students. Yeah, 3 students. Okay. Find the product. Find the product. Another one. Yeah, another
9 times 6, 54.
Yeah, Diego is connecting very late.
Miss,
Yeah.
the number 3 is 9 times 6 equals 54.
Thank you. Okay.
20.
54. 54. 9 times 6, 54. 7 times 8,
56.
56. 8 times 4,
32.
32. 32, exactly. Regroup through thousands. Camera, Diego, please. Regroup through thousands. Regroup. Write the missing numbers. 9 tens, 9 ones is equal to how many hundreds? 9 tens is 90, right? 9 tens equals 90.
And 10 ones are...
And 10 ones is 10.
10.
10. So if we add this, how many hundreds we have?
100.
Exactly. 100. I was trying to add this. Exactly. So here it is equals 1. 100. The next one. Number 7, 60 hundreds. Okay, 60 is the number we have. How many zeros those 100 have? How many zeros?
2.
2. So we need to add 2 more zeros because it is 60 hundreds. So how many thousands we have?
6,000.
6,000. Exactly. Number 8, 25 tens. 25. Okay. How many zeros do those at 10 have?
1.
1.
1.
2.
1. No, 1 0. If a number has 2 zeros, is 100. A 10 has only 1, so we add 1 0 because the number says 25 tens. So 1 0 only. In here, we are going to write the number of hundreds and see that it says 5 tens. So we are going to write only the first missing number. How many hundreds are in this amount?
250.
200. 100. But the line says 100. So it has only 200. And the 50 are 5 tens. Now the next one. 14 tens.
Miss, the zero are ones.
The 0 are ones. But look, says 14. How many tens are in 14?
One.
One group of 10. And how many ones?
1.
4.
4, exactly. This number, 14, has 1 10 and 4 ones. 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay? Sit down properly, Isabella, please. Number 10.
Okay.
Number 10. 3 tens and 12 ones.
42.
42 in total. Okay. 42 in total. Yes. Now, how many tens are in this number?
And the 4.
4, exactly. Because we combine the 3 tens with the 12 ones. In 12 ones, there is 1 10. That's why we have 4 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones left. Did you complete the page?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see how many we are. Yeah, apparently now we are all completed. Daniel, do you have problem with your camera? Okay, everyone finished the page?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. I am going to erase this. No?
Yes.
Who says no? No one? Okay. Continue. Second page, 46. Vocabulary builder. We have review words because we saw these words in the previous, Melanie, what is that? We saw these words in previous classes: estimate, expanded form, factor, place value, product, regroup, rounding, okay? And the new words are distributive property and partial product. Visualize it. Complete a flow map using the words with a check. Using the word with a check. The first one, multiplying. What can you do with multiplying? What can you do? You can regroup. Yeah, that's correct. We can regroup ones as tens. Regroup ones as tens. That's correct. And we can also estimate products. We can estimate products. Now, what can you use? Use in mental math. What can we use? We can use rounding and mental math. Use, what else can we use? It's a chart. What's the name of the chart we learned?
Place value.
Place value, exactly. Place value. Place value. Completed? Yeah? Gabriel, where are you? You are out of the camera. You have to be in front. Done? Can I change this?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Did you finish, Gabriel? Okay. What about you, Maria Fernanda? Did you copy? Maria Fernanda, did you finish? Yes or no, Maria Fernanda?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The last part in this page, 46. Understand vocabulary. Complete the sentences. Sorry, because we're gonna use these words. We're gonna use distributive property, partial product, and factor. These three words are the answers down. So let me write them. Let me write them here. Is factor,
Distributive property and partial product.
Distributive property and partial product. Okay, those are the three words we're gonna use. The three words or phrases, the vocabulary we need to complete this. The first one says that states that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each atom by the number and then adding the product. This is a property. This is a property. Now, it's a property. This property says that multiplying a sum by a number, multiplying a sum. I will write here an example.
Distributive property.
Like 3 plus 5, okay, close parenthesis, times 2. This is multiplying a sum, okay? This is the sum and this is the multiplication. It says that this is equals to. It says that is equals to. Multiply is the same as multiplying each atom, okay? The atoms of the additions is 3 and 5. So it says that is the same as multiplying each atom by the number. So it's the same as multiplying 3 times 2 plus, because it's an addition, 5 times 2. That's what it's saying. Miss?
Miss, copy that multiplication.
No, it's just an example.
Okay.
Distributive property. Here, see, 3 and 5. I have 3 plus 5. So the multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each atom by the number. What is the number? These two. And then adding the product. That's why I have an addition here. And then adding the product. That's why I have an addition there. Okay. So this one is distributive property. Distributive property. Number 2, a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. It's called a this one. Factor, exactly. 3 in this multiplication, 3 is a factor. Times 2, 2 is another factor. So if we write it, if we write a multiplication, the part of multiplications is factor times factor equals product. These are the parts of multiplication. Factor times factor equals product. So each number in a multiplication is a factor. Is a factor. Number 3, a method of multiplying in which the ones, tens, hundreds, and so on.
Partial.
Okay, let me finish. Are multiplied separately and then the products are added together is called the partial product method. We're gonna see this later. We're gonna see this later in a subsequent topics. Partial product method. I am gonna explain this in another topic. Okay, great job. Great job. Daniel is still copying. Daniel, you have something, un filtro. That's why you look weird for me. You can have that, sweetie. Because you are not wearing a mask. You are at home. Okay. Let me see. Who is copying? You. Who is copying?
I finished.
I want to know who's copying.
I finished too, miss.
I finished.
I finished. I am copying.
You are copying?
Yes.
Gabriel?
finished, miss.
We almost finished.
I finished, miss. Santiago. Before 2 seconds.
Yeah, because are just 3 terms. Just 3 terms. But let's wait for your classmates. We still have 1 minute.
I finished, miss.
Okay.
I finished.
Okay, everyone finished?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, miss.
Yes?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
No? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So no homework in math this week. No homework in math. So don't leave. You can leave, okay? So we finish the class with this. Open your book, please, and show it to me.